Welcome to Sugosha Defense News. The highlights. Two expression of interest released by Indian Air Force. One to indigenously develop the antenna L-band of an AN-32 aircraft and the second for repair and overhaul for radio altimeter indicator for Dornier aircraft. ISRO chief inaugurates new HAL facility to boost rocket manufacturing. The global highlights. Eve Air Mobility adds four new suppliers for eVTOL aircraft. Amidst Gaza tensions, Israel signs F-35 deal with US for 25 more warplanes. US awards contract for advanced loitering munitions to UVision and Mistral. Eurosatory 24 to welcome Armenia for the first time and also features over 60 startups in defense and security. Rheinmetall and MBDA to integrate small anti-drone missiles into Skyranger 30. United States, Japan and South Korea launch Freedom Edge exercise series to bolster trilateral security. Expression of interest is invited from reputed Indian firms having technical and financial capability, infrastructure and experience to execute the project for antenna L-band of an AN-32 aircraft. The project will involve establishing a replacement technology for reclaiming certain AN-32 aircraft LRUs. This includes qualification test, development of spares, along with certification and delivery within strict timelines. The due date for this EoI is 1st July. And another expression of interest by the Air Force is for development of ROH technology for repair of radio altimeter indicator. The radio altimeter indicator is the part of radio altimeter system and is used to measure height above the terrain over which the aircraft is flying. The project aims to establish a repair, overhaul technology and infrastructure for undertaking the ROH of radio altimeter indicator at 5 BRD. Mr. S. Somnath, the chairman of ISRO, inaugurated the state-of-the-art propellant tank production and CNC machining facilities at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Aerospace Division. The newly established facility will significantly enhance ISRO's ability to meet its growing production needs, particularly for the launch vehicle Mark III, India's heaviest and most powerful rocket. Currently, the existing capacity allows for only two LVM-3 launches per year, whereas ISRO's requirement stands at 6 launches annually. The facilities will address the gap, enabling HAL to manufacture enough critical components to support the production of 6 LVM-3 rockets per year. From the global news, Eve Air Mobility has announced four new suppliers for its electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. These suppliers are KRD, Laticoer, RALLC, and Alltech. These companies will provide essential components to enhance the quality and reliability of Eve's innovative aircraft. Israel's Ministry of Defense has signed a $3 billion deal with the US government for a third squadron of 25 F-35 Joint Strike Fighters. Signing of the letter of acceptance between US and Israel government officials seals the order. The delivery of the aircraft to the Army will commence in 2028 at a rate of 3 to 5 aircrafts per year. The US government awarded a $73.5 million contract to UVision and Mistral for the supply of Hero 120 SF loitering munitions to the US Special Operations Command. The Hero 120 SF is a mid-range and anti-tank loitering munition designed for heavy strikes against armored targets such as tanks and vehicles. Some highlights of the Eurosatory 24, which is going to be held between June 17th and June 21st in Paris. For the first time, Armenia will participate in the Eurosatory. During the event, participating startups will cover a wide range of technologies, including new materials, 3D printing, inexhaustible energy sources, genomics, and advancements in artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and blockchain. Artificial intelligence is particularly emphasized this year with several companies presenting solutions aimed at enhancing software and equipment for security applications and threat detections, including CBRNE risks. To close the existing capability gaps in mobile defense against drones at short range, Rheinmetall Electronics and MBDA signed a letter of intent. The companies intend to integrate MBDA small anti-drone missiles into the Skyranger 30 and other Rheinmetall military vehicles. For its part, the 30 cannon on the Skyranger 30 offers highly efficient mobile defense against airborne threats by combining firepower, intelligent sensor technology, and high mobility at shorter ranges. This means that the two weapons complement each other perfectly. The U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin, Japan Minister of Defense Kihara Minoru, and Republic of Korea Minister National Defense Shin Won-sik announced the commencement of a new multi-domain exercise series named Freedom Edge. This initiative was unveiled during a trilateral ministerial meeting in Singapore on 2nd of June. The new exercise series is a direct outcome of the discussions held at the historic Camp David Summit on 18th of August 23. The leaders reiterated their commitment to trilateral security cooperation to address shared security challenges, particularly the threats posed by North Korea's nuclear and missile programs. That's the news for today. We do hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.